Welcome back to OX Hades. Today I will be telling you how to get started in crypto. No more waiting around, time to dive in. 5 most important platforms for you to learn and start trading today. DEX Screener. DEX Screener is one of the most important tools which you will be using to understand the trending tokens, on-chain tokens, which you can see now is the trending watch list. You can see which tokens are most traded, which have the highest volume on chain. So we are looking now on Ethereum chain. You can easily switch to Solana, Base. They are ordered by volume, so you can see where is the most volume and which are performing the best. You can be on top of what's happening in the crypto world and be in front of the masses. Okay, there are different features like new pairs. You can see what are the newest launch tokens on the chain. If you want to hunt for new gems, you can set up your own watch list, for example, as I have done here. So a new round gems, for example, or some other names of the tokens which you want to be using to find the tokens which you like and sort them in different ways. Okay, there are also different features such as you can analyze your portfolio if you connect your on-chain wallet and so on. Next one, obviously we need to start somewhere. We need to transfer the money in to buy our first cryptocurrency. So for this I recommend MEXC exchange. It's no KYC, so you won't need to identify yourself with any documentation to buy the wallet. You can easily register. There are 100 tokens with 0 trading fee, which is a very good value for anyone who doesn't want to give money away. You can check all of the tokens here, register easily, just going through. I'm logged in. You just put in your email, you put in your password, you receive the email, and boom, you're in. You can easily buy crypto with a credit card, with a P2P, or a fiat deposit with your own local currency. With that, you can easily withdraw the money into your own wallet. So you'll probably need a MetaMask wallet, or I recommend a Rabi wallet. You can download these from the extension. So remember to have this on your extension. It should show something like this, and with this you can easily withdraw the money into your wallet and start trading on chain if you don't want to trade on the centralized exchanges such as MEXC, because not all of the tokens are available there, especially the early ones which we trade before they hit the centralized exchanges. Okay, so that's for MEXC. And now moving on to the very important platform, Sigma. Simple setup, use / and then you set up different commands. Just by going start, you'll have a different breakthrough on how to set up your own wallet. You get generated a private key which you should store and not share with anyone, because this will be your private wallet, private key to get back your wallet on any device, and anyone who has this private key will have access to your assets. One of the most important trading tools for me, which I use, is Padre. Padre is the best trading terminal. I recommend Padre. This is a centralized exchange-like experience. As you can see, you have the whole charts, you have the limit order to buy the dip. You can see it how it looks on the chart. This is the NKP, non-Kyoto protocol, which I have been trading with target price limit orders. So easily set up, stop loss straight away. You can, through buying the dip, you can easily set up an exit strategy. So directly, if it fills your position, you can decide where you want to exit in case the price goes the other way. And also target price. So what happens that you can overnight set up a position, you set up a buy, and then the price fills this buy, and during the night it sells it for you in profit. This was what happens to me. It has some cool features as wallet tracking and the trending tokens as well. You have some automations, and it also summarizes your portfolio so you can check all of your positions which you have in your wallet. They also have some cool referral systems, so if you recommend it to your friends, you will also get some bounce back, and also discounts if you're holding Padre tokens, discount on your fees. Okay, so make sure to check out Padre. Lots of information here, play around, lots of information about the token, similar to Dex Screener, but used directly for trading. Last but not the least, Twitter. I assume all of you should have X account. X is useful to browse information about crypto. It's a hub for crypto information. Lots of noise, but if you follow the right influencers, the right guys who are active, you can also find some alpha. Also interacting, working for your bags, posting, raiding, shilling, sharing the good news, sharing the information about the token you hold with others is an easy way through X. Just by interacting, you can also support the people who are supporting your project to try to push it onward and upward. That's how this crypto game works. You have to work for your bags. So X is a platform which you should try to register on, try to grow, and try to know how to interact on it to find an edge for yourself. Last and not least, guys, you have Telegram channels, which is also the hub for the crypto guys. You can get a lot of signals from here. Obviously, you need to be very careful because not all of the information is useful, and you may get wrecked if you follow the wrong people on their calls. But there is also many cool community groups or private groups where you can discuss, try to learn information, or just follow the channels which try to provide value, such as I do. You can find my channel. So here is one of an example channel, which is my channel from Hades. You can easily find it through the links under the video. I try to share the information on what I buy, what I sell, what I trade, and some updates from the projects which I support, giving some calls, giving like some images from real life, what I'm doing. I visited Monaco lately, which was a great experience, and we try to make some money on trading. But the best way to trade these tokens is using these bots which I shared with you, Sigma or Padre, because all of these are on-chain tokens, so you will need to get some Ethereum, withdraw it from the exchange to your wallet, and then start trading with me. So yeah, Telegram is the place to be. Try to engage, meet new friends, try to learn about crypto, and that's the way to grow in the crypto world. So that's it for today, guys. Hope to see you soon, and let's start printing.